Hey everybody, Pierre here, and this is my theory about what happened to Roanoke Island. So over here we have the mainland, everybody's pretty happy over here in Roanoke Island, lots of islands, and Roanoke is right here, and everybody there is pretty happy, right? And then for whatever reason, they split into two groups. Now one of the groups goes over here to a place we call Site X. So they go over there. And then the other people go over here to the island of Croatoan to start their new lives there. And this all happened because of a drought that happened there. So this fits into all the clues, like the deconstructed houses and all the weird crow on the tree and the Croatoan on the fence post. Somebody just didn't finish writing Croatoan on the tree. Now let's talk about what happened to the fate of the people. So as we all know, they split into two groups, and one of them went to Site X. So they were there having a pretty good life in their big fort, and then a stone written by Eleanor Dare, called the Dare Stone, was found, and it described a series of attacks from the natives and lots of diseases and overall just a lot of death. So they were doing there and doing pretty good, and then they all just pretty much died. And now let's talk about the Croatoan story. So in the Croatoan story, it might come as a shock, but not everybody died. So they met up with the Indians. And over time they became pretty friendly with each other, and eventually really started to like each other. So then they kind of blended into one, and they married each other, and then eventually had children. And then, all the tribes kind of just mixed into one happy family. And that is what happened to the Roanokeans.